Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So here's another bag tour for you. This is a vintage Coach pocket purse in like new condition. As you can see, we've got the little sales booklet and part of the registration card still, and the original box that it was sold in. And it's got some of the original 90s tissue paper that says Coach on it inside, so it's really cool. It was very nicely preserved. So this bag was made in Turkey in the 90s, and the style number for pocket purses was 9755, and the color is mahogany brown. Here's a close-up view of the bag. Here's the hang tag, and here's the front. The side, this is where the crossbody strap attaches to these little D-rings right here. And here's the back. It's got a pocket here in the back. And then here's the other side with the hang tag. It's a double-sided hang tag. And then here's the bottom. And then I'll go ahead and open the bag. So there's another pocket here on the inside, and this one is actually stuffed with more Coach tissue paper. So here's what the inside looks like. Another pocket back here, so lots of pockets on the pocket purse. And then there's the creed. As you can see, it says it was made in Turkey. And then here's the other pocket, so definitely has lots of storage room. So one other really great thing about this style of bag is that you can obviously carry it like a clutch, or you can wear it as a crossbody bag just by attaching the straps. So it's a really nice versatile little bag. So here's what it would look like with the straps attached if you were going to use it as a crossbody or shoulder bag. And then of course this is what it would look like as a clutch. It would just look like this without the straps. So definitely a cute, versatile little bag. So I'll go ahead and link it below in our Etsy shop if you wanted to check it out further. Otherwise, I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.